Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Mobizen. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Mobizen screen recorder. If you will find your updates, then you can click to update your app in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.